In this video, we'll be looking at how to use the code build interface. So to do so, you hit C on the keyboard. You have two options come up. For the purpose of these videos, please select the Microsoft Make Code, as it's a bit easier to use for new students coding. So we'll select that one there. Then you'll come up into your project space. So any previously created projects will be in here. At the moment, mine's blank because I haven't created any projects. It's really important to organize your code into a project. So every time you do a piece of code, it's a new project. So we select that plus button, new project, give it a meaningful name. So I'm going to call mine My First Coding Project. Then you select create. It will then launch into the Blockly view. There are two types of coding you can do in Minecraft Education Edition. You can do what's called Blockly, which is a visual form of coding, which is really great if you're new to coding. And you've got JavaScript, which is also a great way of launching off into a slightly more advanced sort of text-based programming language. If we go back to blocks, a few things to be mindful of is everything's color-coded by library in terms of what the different functions of the coding can do. We'll be going through most of these in the upcoming videos, so please keep an eye on those. Otherwise, if you want to drag blocks on, you just drag them on and you clip them. There are two ways you can start a piece of code. You can either start it on the start down the bottom here. So when you hit the start button, it'll run, or you can have it on a chat command. So in the world, you hit T and it'll come up and it'll run that. If you're not happy with a block, you can just drag it off the screen like so, and it'll remove it. As I said, we'll be looking at this in future videos in terms of how to use it. There's some other minor things like you can zoom in and out of the interface if you need to, and you can undo and redo using these options here.